Hi Zayra.
I'm happy to see you guys here. Thank you so much for not disappointing us. I'm glad that you guys are here.
Okay. Lion King.
Thank you so much. Judges, dancers, friends and family. Hey guys.
Hi Eggesa.
I would like to thank each and everyone that have spent their time. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to see you on the 4th of January. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, right about now, we're opening the floor to any questions. You have a question, you raise your hand up. We'll come to you and you ask your question. Please, it is about feet on fire, specifically feet on fire. Thank you.
The panel is ready for you. We have Sham in the building, Shamsa. We have Jack Cedric, we have Jack George, we have Zayra herself, the lion himself. We have Eggesa.
And we have the representative of the management.
Sure.
So any questions? We are ready.
I'll be going. Amuza, Chukuligwa Chiche, who are sponsors.
Thank you so much, Mr. Deno. I think everyone knows that we have a management. Government of such well coffee. We have Mandiawa fans, Mandiawa judge, and you as well, you the influencers, our fellow influencers, our sources.
Thank you.
Deno.
Apparently, we decided to put this thing in Kampala, but later we think of putting it in another place.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Zayra.
To elaborate on that, the other thing is with the regional competition, we wanted to involve other people from other regions, and a few people, I think the management included them in, and they are from different parts of the country and they are in the competition. But we didn't go region-wise like they are asking, because this is our first edition and we want to start from home. But we promise you next year we'll go region per region, because it will be more of a regional battle. We'll go region per region so that we include other people. And also, if the host next year, if we get sponsors, people that want to join the team and everything, yes, this is Feet on Fire. I think the first audition, we do not have sponsors. Yes, we have a few people here and there helping, but we do not have sponsors. It's solely us, Committee Feet on Fire. So when someone is coming on board, they should know we are hands-on. Hands-on, we mean we want something authentic. So you come, there are our rules. We want something authentic, something as raw as possible.
Thank you so very much.
I haven't seen any challenge because our management is organized. So I haven't seen any challenge.
Okay, and Sham, welcome Katako. Zayra Gabe, no challenge.
And this is an alert I want to pass on to my friend Zayra. I just request, invite all of them. I believe there is no rumble between you and our blue and green family. I get it. So people online who are commenting, who are specializing this to be for blue family, it's not in a form of question. Let's understand how in form of a blue family, it's not only for blue families, because this is something they made free to everyone to join. So I think we are expecting to see Winnie Mommy here, because she's not refused to come to perform. Am I right? If she wants, she can come. If Pepeta wants, can come and Pepeta. Not so? Okay, thank you.
Guys, the reason we are only talking about blue and lion family, it's not that green family. Is it green? Green family. We don't have any issues with that. We are all family. So that's why I say I don't want to call anyone a TikToker. We are influencers. So everyone is welcome. If they come accordingly, you're welcome. We have no issues with anyone. We as good you as possible, as long as you act accordingly.
We are as cordial as possible.
Just a reminder, tickets are just 20,000 shillings and the table is 1 million. So if you want to come, just buy a ticket or a table.
is already organized for Kabanga, but next year we're going to truly secure the other places.
Right, thank you so very much.
You guys have made the most hits this year. You've made the most trending challenges this year and last year. In other words, you're contributing a large percentage to the music that is coming out of late. You guys are seated, but you shouldn't be. Ask questions. Let us shine. This is our day. When we reach the airports, Nam was here recently, but dancers Mwaba welcoming all the invited guests. Bolivar, heads of nations, Faba welcoming. And we are the greatest export. I repeat, dancers are the greatest entertainment export of Uganda. You know the Ghetto Kids? They are the most famous entertainers in Uganda on the global scene. You've seen them perform with PSG, Barcelona, Mulabia Hyper Kids recently, Balina Econ, Bannerboy, and you know even BET, the dancers were performing on main stage, the Ghetto Kids. So don't keep quiet. It's our time to prove in your because Bully, YouTube, ba influencer, aba media, aba singa channel setula, but they need to know this information. Better go kutongera mu kumuliro, ngawe bayongera mu comedy. I remember the dancers abali mu time ya Mona Lisa. Remember when Mariachi was starting? Yasabangako era naye akimentioninga nnyo, yasabangako dancer gwe bayita Nunu, nga musaba platform. You get it? But right now, where is he? Why are they performing well? Because they were. So now this platform, the dancers, let's not keep quiet. Yes, it's about Zayra and Henry, the host, but the main cause, or the main reason as to why we're here, is because Feed on Fire dance competition and finals are happening on fall. So let's not keep quiet. Back to your question, bro. This competition is different from other competitions because it is passion driven. That's why it has no sponsors, but the event is standing and it's outshining the previous competitions that have been there. Thank you so much.
Okay, and the second question is, another thing I want to that they are talking about Bunelak in this project.
Media host is international. Maybe we shall have an international audience. Thank you.
Thank you so very much.
Mwatandika mutya okujja ekintu nimulete no couple okubanga mu badansa nayo couple ekikola. Then the other two questions abanaziddamu njagala kubabuuza nti no kino ekivulu kyonna nga kiwedde kona akasente kanaba kavuddemu mulowooza kolayo ki to support nga wogambye eno platform eri mujje omugereko mwekameko nga temushayinize to go international nemwerabira ate gyetandikidde waka okitegedde. Then ekirala ekisemberayo ddala njagala kubuuza nti
naye katandike nekyasembeyo nakyo ekyokubreakinga through si kyangu kubreakinga through kyo is not easy naye YouTube yama badansa beba platforms baliko banga babreakinga yeah.
Okay.
The other thing, the secret is the new chiga.
I would like to add on to Henry's point of how do you break through. First of all, dancers, I don't like it when dancers feel like they can't do better and bigger. One of the reasons you can break through is by branding yourself. Branding is really big, like it's really a huge deal. It's a huge deal, then meaning you're going to still lay back. Being social media, you know, that is like one of the most important things. We know we're branding, this dancer, I dance this style, you know, do a lot of collaborations. I do collaborations with my dance mates, like DVD. I've done collaborations with most of the dancers here, so that it is an easy breakthrough. Because today we can just take a TikTok video, can get 10K likes, then that is not gonna happen. You have to go out there, you have to discover, you have to explore, you have to do research. Like it's a lot, but when you get to understand it, at the end of the day, you get a chance of breaking that through. Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you. Let us welcome
Also,
Natasha, Michi, and Portia 256. You are welcome.
About branding, like we asked, I see a few people about
the only day. Omugalo Wanage, and he is in the house. Thank you very much for making these two look elegant. To see me that. Any other questions before we wind up?
Yeah, do we have any more questions for Henry Eggesa, for Zayra Baby, for the judges, or for the organizing committee representative?
Okay, the judges have an announcement to make.
Okay.
And
4th January, Feet on Fire. These are some of the artists that are going to be coming through with performances.
Yeah, so we have Dax Vibes.
Dax Vibes. Mickey Wine. Joey Nanda. Nando Love.
we have Dr. Love.
Dr. Lava Boy.
Me, Elliot's, Bent Boys, Marafiki. Yeah.
Dr. Brain.
Yeah, me.
Yeah.
And you have me.
Now, like lastly,
Not gonna work.
Young, Mr. Fanda.
There are very many. And if you want to perform, please come through before 4th, because on 4th we are only taking those that came through. I hope we are clear. We don't want to fight with nobody.
All right, there is one more question.
boundaries azijja obuwanguzi obujja wanabise nawalanye please eyo tubeerabire naye nga I'm so happy. I don't know why I'm just with the he with the who sorry with the who with the he with the she
So
but well okay nagenda nkola rehearsal kubanga show your mind, don't just come and do for professionally. Thank you.
I think the question.
And everyone who has managed to be around, thank you so much. And you know about the Kizanga, they got to be off in a let's be there.
Thank you so much. The best boys in the building. I believe Zayra Jaban is number what civil. You're welcome, brothers.
Thank you so much. For this, I can thank God to cover our birthday with a buli gwennese alabiseko ate namubadde musupportinga muna. So thank you so much. I can't wait to see you January. I love you so much and I appreciate you guys. Hi guys.
Hi Zayra.
Hi guys.
Okay.
Betty boys, thank you for coming.
Yes, Henry afuteyo aberewo nga mwana mwenzi ono akwata sente ze. Wali bichupuli sente zirage mu bantu. Cash si yabanja. President Wazige, thank you so much for supporting talent, and because they are competitors, we do pray for them. Maybe, who knows? Maybe, who knows? Congratulations, my brother. I offer a message. Do you want to come back and message?
Okay. Okay.